Hi everyone, my name is Nisha and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. This video is for BCom Semester 6 English Medium students. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's start this video.
So guys, as you all know, in Management Accounting 2, you all have 4 chapters, starting with the first chapter, which is Standard Costing 1. Methods used for this chapter are material variance and labor variance. Moving on to the formulas of material variance, there are total 6 formulas used for this. First is material cost variance. The formula is SQ into SP minus AQ into AP. Now let me just give you the full forms of this. SQ stands for standard quantity, SP stands for standard price, AQ stands for actual quantity and AP stands for actual price. The second formula is material price variance. AQ in bracket SP minus AP. Hope you get the full form of this. Third formula is material usage variance. SP in bracket SQ minus AQ. Fourth is material mix variance. Guys, अब इसमें दो टाइप के फॉर्मूलाज यूज होते हैं क्योंकि जब स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी और एक्चुअल क्वांटिटी का टोटल अलग होता है तो उसके लिए फॉर्मूला भी अलग यूज होता है. So when standard quantity and actual quantity is equal, the formula used for that is SP in bracket SM minus AM. Full form of SM is standard mix. Full form of AM is actual mix. When the total of standard quantity and actual quantity are unequal, the formula used for that is SP in bracket RSM minus AM. RSM stands for revised standard mix. As you can see, the formula is TAQ into SQ of one material divided by TSQ. Well, the full form of TAQ is total actual quantity. SQ, as you know, standard quantity. Full form of TSQ is total standard quantity. Guys, जब आप सम सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये सब ज़्यादा क्लियर होगा और आपको ज़्यादा पता पड़ेगा कि ये सब कब यूज़ करना है और कैसे यूज़ करना है. सो मूविंग ऑन टू फिफ्थ फॉर्मूला. फिफ्थ फॉर्मूला इज मटेरियल सब यूसेज वेरिएंस. गाइज, ये फॉर्मूला यूज़ होता है जब रिवाइज स्टैंडर्ड मिक्स आप कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूज़ होगा. The formula for sub usage variance is SP bracket SQ minus RSQ. RSQ का full form है revised standard quantity. Sixth formula is material yield variance. Formula is standard cost per unit in bracket AY minus SY. गाइज, जब आप रिवाइज स्टैंडर्ड मिक्स कैलकुलेट करते हैं तब आपको रिवाइज स्टैंडर्ड यील्ड भी कैलकुलेट करना पड़ता है. सो फॉर्मूला ऑफ रिवाइज्ड यील्ड इज स्टैंडर्ड कॉस्ट पर यूनिट ब्रैकेट AY माइनस RSY. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ RSY इज रिवाइज स्टैंडर्ड यील्ड. सो लेट जस्ट गोइंग ऑन टू सॉल्व द सम्स ऑफ दिस. The first sum we are going to solve is sum number 6. Guys, I am just reading this sum. This sum is of Gujarat University TY, March 1997. So, Indira Company Limited has fixed standard usage of material at, this is at 40, this is 40 kg at rupees 10 per kg. From the data given below, calculate material cost variance, material usage variance and material price variance. Information regarding actual usage for material A, 48 kg at rupees 10 per kg. For material B, 36 kg at total cost, underline this is important, total cost of rupees 360. Okay, so as mentioned here, standard जो स्टैंडर्ड यूसेज है वो है 40 kg. मैं दिस मीन्स दिस इज standard quantity and this 10 rupees is standard price. जो प्रोडक्शन करते टाइम जो मटेरियल यूज़ हुआ है और कितने कॉस्ट पे यूज़ हुआ है वो सब इधर दिया है. स्टैंडर्ड मिक्स मतलब होता है जब आप प्रोडक्शन करते हो कोई, तो उसके पहले एक स्टैंडर्ड सेट होता है कि इतने स्टैंडर्ड का इतना यूसेज होगा, और उसके बाद जब एक्चुअली प्रोडक्शन होता है तो पता पड़ता है कि एक्चुअल यूसेज अलग हो रहा है. सो दिस इज स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी and this is standard price, and this is for material A, AQ actual quantity, AP actual price. For material B, this will become actual quantity and this is not AP. You have to calculate AP because this is total cost. So this is not per kg price. You have to calculate this. So write down necessary things, which is SQ. The SQ is 40. SP is 10. For material A, AQ is 48. AP is 10. For material B, AQ is 36 and AP, now you have to calculate the amount of AP. So 360 will be divided by 36. You will get 10. This is per kg amount. So moving on to the first step, let's calculate material cost variance. The formula is SQ into SP minus AQ into AP. As here there are two materials, so for material A, put the values. SP is 40 as mentioned above into SP, which is 10, minus AQ. For material A, AQ is 48 into AP. AP is 10. Okay, so you will get 400 minus 480. The final answer is minus 80. As you get your answer in negative, so you have to write like this in bracket U. What this U stands for? This is unfavorable, means when you get your answer in negative you have to write down like this. Okay, so now for material B, don't write the formula again. So for material B, SQ is 40. This will remain same into SP, which is 10. Now AQ. AQ for material B is 36 as mentioned above, and AP is 10. You will get 400 minus 360. The final answer is 40. This one is in positive, so you will have to write this in bracket F. This stands for favorable. When you get your answer in positive integer, you have to write down like this. After this, make total of both. Total of material. Final answer of material A is minus 80 plus final answer of material B is 40. So you will get minus 40. Write like this. Moving on to second. Second is material usage variance. Formula for that: SP in bracket SQ minus AQ. Put the values. For material A, SP is 10 and SQ is 40 minus 48. You will get your final answer minus 80. So write like this. For material B, SP is 10, SQ 40 minus 36. You will get 40 as your final answer. So now again do the total of this. Minus 80 plus 40. You will get minus 40. Don't forget to write like this in every steps of your final answer. Moving on to number 3, which is material price variance. Formula is AQ bracket SP minus AP. Again for material A, AQ is 48, SP 10 minus 10. So your final answer is 0. Now for material B, AQ is 36. Hope you getting this. SP is 10 and AP is 10. Again the answer is 0. So no need to make total of both of this. The next step for this is do a verification of this. Verification. Now how to calculate verification? Write first material cost variance. How this material cost variance is made? Material usage plus material price variance. Write the total of both of this. The material usage variance total is minus 40 plus total of material price variance is 0. क्योंकि दोनों में 0 था तो टोटल भी 0 ही होगा as usual. So you will get your answer minus 40. As you can see, you get automatically the answer of cost variance. This is to be done to check the answers of cost variance and other things. So this is all about